The UW Dialogue Initiative was launched in summer 2024 by Provost Serio. The initiative empowers UW students with the tools and mindsets to engage in skilled and productive dialogue across differences. The initiative sets the foundation for students to learn and practice meaningful discourse centered on empathy, honesty, and respect. The initiative is being implemented on UW Seattle, Tacoma, and Bothell campuses in ways that are meaningful for each of the respective campuses. Public universities are one of the few places in society where people can come together across difference to solve complex problems, which is why this initiative matters so much right now. On the UW Seattle campus, we're reaching all first-year students through in-person advising and orientation. By meeting students during orientation, we can communicate upfront that dialogue is an important value of the university. During orientation, we provide in-person workshops to all first-year students focused on the types of skills and mindsets that support active listening. It's an introductory workshop, which aims to do things such as teach students how our automatic stress response operates and impacts our ability to listen, and how mindfulness allows us to respond versus react to stressful situations, such as being in disagreement with one another. To drill down even deeper, some of the specific active listening skills we're introducing during these dialogue workshops include skills and mindsets such as 1, being able to just focus your whole attention on another person, 2, being aware, open, and curious, 3, seeking to understand what the other person is saying and their perspective, and 4, being aware of when you're rehearsing or waiting for your turn to talk or rehashing, thinking about the thing that you just said. On the Seattle campus, we were able to reach 9,000 first-year students who participated in fall and winter orientations. College campuses, and the classroom environment specifically, are places where we can interact with each other, listen to each other's diverse perspectives, and strive for deeper learning and understanding. This type of engagement, the kind where we try to really listen and understand each other's perspective, allows us to come together to solve the types of complex problems the world is facing. Thanks for listening, and for more information and updates, you can visit dialogue.uw.edu.